Listeners settle into a comfortable posture as ocean waves begin softly, guiding the breath to slow and expand. Inhale through the nose for 4 counts and exhale for 6, letting the body sink and the mind grow calm. Visualize a sunlit forest with birds, a distant drizzle, and leaves whispering, each sound syncing with your heartbeat. Imagine a clear mountain stream, stones slipping by, moss breathing while shoulders melt and jaw relax. As the scene fades, carry this tranquility into daily life, returning to breath whenever stress returns and notice support from nature everywhere you go.